Hold on, I gotta come out too, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Go down next to my F4. Everybody look up behind me. Alright.
This is gonna be interesting.
Mike?
Mike's alright.
Everybody ready?
I'm taking off last.
Wait, hold on, I didn't know if I set my camera yet. I don't know if I started my camera.
Max, go.
Wait, no, I gotta check to make sure my camera's going. It is. Hey.
Same here, I'm gonna stall if I don't.
I'm trying.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
One of us is gonna crash, I know.
Guys, come on, cut it with the yelling. We're not gonna know what's going on. Jesus.
I'm in the lead.
I'm so slow.
Alright, let me get on Sia. Sia, I'm gonna try to stay on your right wing.
Nate, do you, who's free to...
No, you're good. Just do what you're doing. Yes, that's all I need. I'm just cruising.
Low pass.
Mike's just in the back.
He's alright. Can't cut people off though, guys.
Literally just leaving my throttle line.
Yeah, when I first took off, someone cut me off.
I haven't even hit full throttle yet. Whoa, Max.
This is awesome, guys. This is fun.
Yeah, I'm blasting out. I can't deal with it. Too much going on.
Oh crap, I gotta land.
Low pass.
I gotta land. Alright, coming around for a landing.
I mean, it's nice to see the plane fly slow, but
My battery's fine. Alright, I'm landing. I'm coming.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay. Alright, left turn.
Go to the end of the runway.
Got it.
Max, come down.
At the end of the runway.
Max, you're like so close. Hey, you're going up full ball.
hey,
Who's landing? Are you landing?
no.
9, 8.
I'm gonna go low.
Guys, make it quick. I'll try to. I gotta come in though. Is everybody else? Hey, I gotta come in right now. Is everybody clear? I gotta come in right now.
I've got the
I'll go all the way to the end.
Alright, Ray, I'm gonna escort you in. I have a lot to do. Yeah, I have a lot to do.
Good escort, Nate. Okay, I'm at the end.
I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, Max, let's do a little bit. Alright, Max, let's do one pass and I gotta land.
I'm cutting in right now. I'm clear. God, that was crazy.
Oh, that's cool.
That was kind of crazy. catch up to you, but there's all this other crap going on. I'm like, ugh. People kept cutting.
What you have to do is I think you have to do like 2 at a time, then add the next person, like slowly build up.